Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Oh no, Lerato Khanyago hamboyela lapha ku-Instagram story wayobhala akokuthi uyade kokuthi you guys sometimes mean well, but ucela kokuthi ningaloku nikhomenta in all of her post ukuthi I hope one day you'll have children, since we know ukuthi uLerato Khanyago solo kuyazama kuba nebantwana but akakhoni, and ukwarevela ukuthi ukwathola ngisho miscarriage lokwento abantu ukuthi bamvele ebuhlungu indlela lesimanga, but uthi uyanicela uyaninxusa ukuthi yekelani kokuthi ngasonke isikhathi makaposte something into kunikhuluma ngokuthi nethi nimfisela ukuthi ngathi angaba nebantwana. She knows ukuthi vele akanabo bantwana and naye uyabafuna abantwana, but lento yokuthi always tobona ama-comments lafana nalawo uyasho ukuthi akumphathi kahle, uyasho ukuthi ngalesinye isikhathi uyade ukuthi you guys mean well, akusukuthi mhlawumbe usukuzama mhlawumbe kumqala or kumdreka into lenjalo, but uyasho ukuthi cha uyanxusa abazalwane ukuthi any meaning ema-comments lanjalo. But it's really sad ke sana kokuthi always uyoloku umtshela umuntu ukuthi I hope you one day you'll have kids, I hope one day you'll have children. Ayibo kanjani or lekusani ngoba niyambona ukuthi naye uphulile, so people are saying ukuthi mara vele into le wrong kabi leyo ukuthi always umuntu uyoloku umkhumbuta ukuthi akambuswela ini unako konke but kunalento la iswelako. It's really not cute ke sana, yikele into lenjalo. If umuntu futhi anitshela ukuthi something ayithandzana, I know ukuthi it's not the first time akhuluma into lefana nalena uLerato, but it seems like kunebantu laba loku baqhubeka ngokuthi hey, we hope one day you'll have kids, hey, we hope one day you'll have children, and she's saying ukuthi naye iyafisa kuba nabo bantwana, and she knows ukuthi you guys sometimes mean well, but uyaqala ukuthi nimeni ngema-comments lanjalo. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.